What's up, everybody? This morning, before I go to work, I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my spinner. So, some things you're gonna need: a spare piece of canvas, just so you don't mess up anything brand new. You're gonna need obviously a drill, some drill bits, some screws, a hammer, and a piece of wood that you can cut up. For me, I want to go with the lightest piece of wood that I can find. This one is a 2x2, which just the length is 36 inches. So we're going to, oh, I forgot. Gotta go grab a saw really quick. It's right over here. Go grab that real quick. Still early in the morning, gotta drink the coffee. Sorry for the background noise. Live right next to the major roadway going down to the major highway. So, got the saw. The board we're going to be making this morning is for the 12x12s and the 11x14, which I have sitting right over there. I got it arced up. Let's get cutting. Alright, now that we have our 12x12 to 11x14 board cut out, just going to, because I have the 12x12 with me right now, going to measure out where, and of course I forgot the tape measure upstairs, so it's going to be by eyeball. I'm gonna move out all my unnecessary stuff. So this is the leftover piece, and because I forgot the tape measure, don't know exactly how long it is, but you never want to get rid of all your excess pieces because you never know what size canvases you're going to want to be working with in the future. So never throw out your excess pieces of wood. All right, now that I got you guys down here, got our 11x14, 12x12 piece of wood. This is how I'm going to set it up every time, how I spin it. Just find the flattest piece that you can. Set it up just like this. Normally, on the larger pieces, I would set it up this way all the way across, because I want to take as much strain off of the drill and off of the canvas, so it spins more efficiently. But on the smaller ones, I just set it up straight across. But first, before we even drill any screws in, we need to set a hole in the middle, and we need to set the screw holes. So first, like I said before, because I forgot my tape measure upstairs, I don't know exactly where the center of this thing is. So first, gotta set the hole in the middle for one of these things, one of these bolts. We're gonna start off with our smallest one and work our way up. Our smallest drill bit. And it seems about center. All right, one more size up might do it. I think that just did me in perfectly. Sorry for the squeakers. Perfect fit. And I just put a hole in the table, but oh well. Alright, where is these? Now we got those. Alright, so instead of pre-drilling your holes into your canvas, always pre-drill your holes for your screws into another piece of wood. It'll be better for your actual piece of wood, and it'll be better for your screws in the long run. And I just won't put another hole in my table. Kind of screws I'm using are actual roof screws, I believe. Roofing screws, and it's not a regular Phillips head. It's a star-shaped drill head. So let's get this. Whoopsies! Round and round we go. Alright, that sound is in. Get that out of there. And do the rest of them. Alright, now that we have our holes on all sides for 11 by 14 and 12 by 12s, we can actually attach it to the canvases. Now, I made a mistake when drilling the holes in this one. As unfortunate as it is, I put them on the side of the drill bit, so that entire time lapse was a total waste of time. But we can get it in real time right here. So, what you do, make sure you get your screws lined up with your canvas. Always want to make sure you have a screw that can go through all the way, but not penetrate all the way through to the other side of the canvas. So these are just a tad bit too long, but they are long enough to go through the board and into the canvas and get the job done. And this piece of wood is cracking tremendously, so we are not going to have a lot of use for this after this project. Make sure you have a piece of wood that doesn't crack beyond belief. As you can see, it is starting to split horrifically. Once you have your pieces attached, and you always want to make sure that your nails or your screws, whatever pieces that you use, don't just barely come out the edges. See how that's coming out the edge? And the reason that it's splitting like crazy is because I did the holes on the wrong side. You always want to just double check. See, now that's firm. That's firm, because when you spin it and you start to wobble like crazy, either your bit's gonna come flying out, or your canvas is gonna go flying, and that's not the kind of piece that we want. I had an accident last night. I'll show you the piece. I had an accident last night where my canvas and the drill bit came flying out. Now this actually came out pretty cool, but now it's covered in grass, and the grass just would have gave it texture if I didn't freshly mow my lawn. But now it's garbage. So make sure that everything is right before you start spinning. Now all the steps that we just did will be the same for the 11 by 14. After you get everything nailed in, screwed in, click it in. Happy spinning. We are going to be doing some more tutorials over the next few days. This is just one of the many ways to be setting up some spin art. So over the next few days, we will be making some more tutorials. I know that there is some for screwdrivers, duct tape, other drill pieces. So however you guys want me to make some, or see me set it up, comment, and we'll see if we can get it done. I'm running out of time, gotta go to work, gotta make that money. Happy spinning, everybody, and enjoy. So things you're gonna need, again, a drill, wood, screws, drill bits, spare canvas, and that'll be about it. Comment, email me, however you want to get in touch with me. Everything is here on the channel. So happy spinning, everybody.